We are in a 16-foot RJO. There's the beautiful Amanda and Ace.
Aww.
Look at this. This is the bay window in the back.
Yep.
Mini split. And see, this is the reverse, not reverse gable. This is a gable triangle roof. See that?
Yeah.
All right, Amanda.
Yes.
We have a sale going on right now. This is a 16-foot home, and we're selling a 24-foot home for $25,000.
So okay, so let me ask. It's an 8 by 24. Oh wait a minute. Here's
Yes.
our. Have you got yours? Here. You need yours.
8 by 24.
8 by 24 RJO.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yep.
8 by 24. New panel, old panel?
Old panel.
Old panel.
Just like this house right here.
Okay.
You
8
see
by
that?
24, old panel, RJO.
Yep.
Ace.
Falling apart.
It's fine. We're tearing
What
up
you
the
doing,
place.
buddy?
How much? 4?
$25,000. And now, okay.
My gosh.
Now, I'm going to get back here. This is a 16-foot home. And I'm going to show you, this is here. Look. Boom. Boom. And this is decorated. It's beautiful.
It's really
there'll be
cute.
a loft. Now, they're doing a different floor plan on those. This is the RJO floor plan.
Yeah.
Okay? Mm-hmm. We're building the 24 right now. We'll have it out next week.
Oh, good.
This is Thanksgiving week. All right, so this is the floor plan of the RJO. Is a bathroom, kitchen, door. Mm-hmm. What we're going to do is the floor plan for the 24-footer is the Incredibox floor plan.
Okay.
It's on our website. And it's Incredibox floor plan where the doors on the side.
The door's over here.
Doors over
Right.
here. Mm-hmm. And you get the bathroom in the back and the kitchen along here.
Okay.
All right. I know this is confusing. I'm whipping this camera around. But that is the deal. Mm-hmm. So you guys think about this. This is a 24-foot RJO.
Are we having, I'm sure you are, but are you having Marcus do a floor plan? Put it together?
We already have the floor plan.
Okay.
Look here, this thing falling apart.
I know. We need a new tripod.
Maybe Santa will bring us a tripod.
Maybe Santa will bring us a tripod. Okay.
There we go.
Hi.
That is so cool. I like putting this up like this. It's showing, like, see, we've got a diamond. This is 16, man. Add another 8 foot to this.
Yes,
All
exactly.
right. So what I want to do is I'm going to get you right here. All right.
Okay.
And there you are.
Yeah, there I am.
There
Got
you
it.
are. Hey, so I wanted to jump in here and explain a few things about. We've done a video on this last week, and I know the camera's crooked. It looks like, but also amenities. If you guys buy 5 or more amenities, you get 25% off.
Yeah.
If you pay everything in full, we'll give you another 5% off on your amenities.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if you pay for the
On
house,
amenities.
house and everything in
So
full.
now talk about what amenities are available, because there's a lot.
We got 25 amenities, right?
This
25,
is one.
and Lucas came up with 25 for 25.
Ah!
And okay, so amenities is one is this beautiful bay window.
There's no way I wouldn't get that. I would do myself. I definitely would do a mini split, and I would do the bay window.
So if you
Hands down.
But think about it. If you get the mini split and the bay window, and three more, you could get a. Gosh, we got EMPs, we got off grid, we've got tankless water heaters. There, you have to go on our website at IncredibleTinyHomes.com.
Yeah.
Look at the amenities that you can grab, and if you get 5 of them, we made an example on the videos that if you bought $16,000 worth of amenities, you get $4,000 cut off, a discount of $4,000.
That's a lot of money.
This is going on till December 31st,
Okay.
New Year's Eve night. And then
Makes
in that
sense.
night, however many we sell, we just sold, I think, 3 or 4 today. Tim just came in here and said, we just sold one that a lady added $27,000 worth of amenities. 27 grand. And then she gets 25% off.
Oh, does she?
Yeah, and then another
Okay.
lady spent $22,000, one spent $9,000 on amenities.
On amenities.
You can't beat this. If you've been waiting to buy a home, and I know people get mad at me because I'm like, you always put these sales out. It's just like, I can't wait.
But that's the exciting part. That's exciting. That's just the way it goes.
I love doing this.
Yes.
And the only reason we're able to do this is because we build these on a factory setting.
Yes.
We're able to pump them out. Now, you know these homes won't be built and start until probably March or April. Probably March for sure.
Yeah.
Now, this is the thing. We are limited on how many homes we can sell.
Right.
Because of these panels availability.
Yes.
All right. So we only get, for the last 2 years, we only got so many panels. That was it. We couldn't get any more because these are door remnants. So however many doors they build is how many
So
panels
how many homes they build?
You got it.
It goes by the market. So ever how many homes are built.
Yeah, we're limited to how many homes. How many that is, we're calculating that up at maybe 100, 150 homes. We're getting emails, we're getting calls, we're getting people calling today. So if you guys are wanting, this is an 8 by 24, 8 more feet longer than this house. It's a definite home to live in, guys. You know, I went to Texas and seen. Oh gosh, I haven't seen her for years. Remember, she's the little school teacher.
Yes, Cheryl.
Cheryl, I'm so sorry.
Yep, Cheryl.
I got so much blah in my mind. Cheryl had an 18-foot home.
Yeah.
Been living in it for 4 or 5 years now.
Oh, since the workshops.
It was as cute as a pin.
Yeah.
This one is 24 feet, 6 more feet longer than hers.
Wow.
And it's going to be less than what she paid for 5 years ago.
Yeah. I think
Crazy.
it was like 2016.
Think about this. We are selling homes now for 25 grand. Man, we weren't able to do that 6 years ago. We were able to do that. Not this size of home. Mm-hmm. This home is just painted. That's all this is. We had it painted on the inside. On the outside, it's red with white trim. Done. Not hard to do.
No.
And you can't even tell in the way it's decorated. It's just so cute.
You can't tell. It's so adorable.
Great in the summer, great in the winter, insulated panels. You guys can't beat it. But go to our website, look it up. Guys, this sale runs till December 31st. We're a limited amount of homes we can build because of these panels availability. Now, we will continue the sale, but if let's say we get to this point where we can't build anymore because of the panels availability,
right?
We will build them with new panels. Mm-hmm. But the price can't
price can't stay at 25.
Just the cost of the panels is going to be about 10 grand.
Yeah, and that's for the new panels.
That's the brand new panels.
Right.
Now, if you want a home and you want new panels, we can do that too.
Yeah.
So you'll be tacking on about 10 grand to that thing.
Yeah.
Let us know if you're interested. We'll get back with you on the accurate price. But this is $25,000 for 192 square foot.
An 8 by 24.
You could paint it and sell it for 30 like that.
Yeah, exactly. You could do, flip it.
Yeah. So there you have it.
And I just want to nail down, where can they see how it's going to look?
It is coming next week. We will have it at the end of the next week.
Okay.
We'll have a model here. Okay. We already got Melody getting all the furniture and stuff, getting ready to decorate.
Door's going to be on the side.
Yep, door will be on the side. You can show where it's going. Now, another amenity is if you guys want a barn door, and some interior stuff, you can get that. So we're pumped up about this. Yeah. This is our winter sale. We're a construction company. Winter is always hard. We try to get through winter. We've only got enough work to get us through February, and it comes in. But we're always, listen, we don't have banks, we don't have loans, we don't have lines of credit, we don't have investors, we don't have anybody.
It's just us.
So we make things happen, and this is why this is what I love about being independent, being in business for yourself, and being reliable only on yourself and not on the sugar daddy of the banks, right? Or an investor. Even if I had an investor, I would have so much pressure on me that we've got to pay this investor back, right?
Absolutely.
But this is something, I love this. It creates an energy and an imagination that you have to stay in business. And this is just the way it is. This is the way we do. I don't know of any other company in the country right now that are building as many homes as we are.
Right.
All right, I'm going to throw one more thing out there.
Okay, one more.
And we're working on this, all right? It was told to me today.
I don't know this. Whatever he's about to say, I don't know this.
We have a friend in Knoxville named Parker.
Oh,
Parker owns a restaurant called Burgers.
Burgers.
So
that's the name of it, Burgers.
Yeah, Burgers.
We've got to go there sometime.
Yeah,
I've never eaten there.
I'll meet you there. It's on Emory Road in North Knoxville.
Yeah.
Okay? And it's called Burgers, but he's in with the city council, the mayor
and
everything in Knox County. Great guy. He's got his ministry of he's going to get...
Oh, my gosh. Angelic
Ministries.
Yeah. Yeah.
And he takes prisoners out of jail.
Yep. And it's a transition.
Transition into regular. But he has purchased 5 homes from us. We are now the only... Get this. We can document this.
Oh, now listen what he's about to say, because now I know what he's going to say.
And only tiny home business company in the country that is modular certified.
The only one.
The only one right now in the state, in the whole country.
Yeah.
We're modular certified right now just in the state of Tennessee.
In the state of Tennessee.
What that means is if you buy our home and you want to live in the state of Tennessee and you want to buy a quarter of an acre or you want to buy half an acre and you can now have this home, this 128 square foot home as your primary residence.
And before you could not.
This is primary residence. I'm talking, you couldn't. It'd be an RV or something.
Yeah.
Now, what that means also, the news that I was going to tell you that you didn't know, is that these will qualify for a HUD and FHA loan.
I did not know that. Amazing. Because we're modular certified.
You got it.
30-year note. That is big news.
You can get a 30-year note on a $30,000 house.
I got to talk to my kids. They got to get.
Not awesome?
I know, it's amazing.
Only in the state of Tennessee. 30-year note. And he's already talked to the banks. They said today, you're on it. Let's go. So we're getting all this together for you guys. This is a massive game changer.
Guys.
This is like in a volcano blowing up, but it's like nobody's listening and seeing it. I've been talking about this for a month.
I know.
It is on.
It just happened 2 weeks ago. Not even 2 weeks ago that it was final, done. We got the paper, everything modular, certified. Done. Incredible tiny homes.
We have the state officials of Nashville.
Yeah.
Are coming to our facility and they're hand delivering the first modular home certificate.
Wow.
Yeah. And we are already licensed for building them, delivering them, and setting them up. That's 3 different licensing.
No way.
We're bonded, certified, licensed, everything ready to go.
That's a big deal.
There's been a big criteria of registering for this in the state. Can't thank enough for Jim Hightower. Jim Hightower is in the state level of modular homes.
Yep.
He spearheaded this after coming and seeing us back 4 years ago. So we are now modular. You guys, this is crazy. If you want a permanent home, primary, we can pull it into a community in the state of Tennessee, and you can have a 30-year note. And
do you have to?
What are your payments? Let me ask
you this. So $6 a month. So let me ask you. So how much acreage does it? Do you have to put? Is there a minimum or anything like that, or do we know that?
No minimum.
No minimum. So you can have
whatever you get a lot. You can buy a lot for
a lot.
Yeah, it's just a registered lot that is registered. And you buy, let's say you buy a lot and it's got water power. This is what we're doing. This is so much fun. All right. So right now, Parker and I, we are looking for lots in Knoxville.
Yeah.
I'm gonna lose my mind because we're gonna buy a lot in Knoxville. Park a tiny home on there, and it's gonna be a primary residence in the city limits of Knoxville.
In the city limits.
Primary home. This is a game changer. Everybody's excited about it. I don't know if this is sinking in. If you're in Memphis, if you're in Nashville, Chattanooga, any little town in the state of Tennessee, we can come to Memphis right now and we can park tiny homes in the city limits of Memphis, and they're modular homes.
But only, listen, not just tiny homes, incredible tiny homes. Just our tiny homes. Just our home. Yeah.
Nobody else's.
That's pretty awesome.
I'm just so pumped about this. We have come so far. When we first started building in your backyard,
I know.
We didn't even have a certificate of origin or a title for the trailers.
Nope.
No RV certifications.
Nope.
No ANSI.
Nope.
Nothing.
And
people were buying from us because we built them good. We were transparent. We showed them what we
honest.
did. Yeah, and we're honest. And
if we made a mistake, we fixed it.
Yeah. And look at us now. Now we got the state of Tennessee backed us up.
9 years later. 9 years later.
Made ours modular. This is amazing.
That's hard work, guys.
You can take our new sale house. It's a $25,000 house, 24 foot long, and it can be your primary residence, and you can get a 30-year fixed note on it. Now, you're going to ask me, well, Randy, where's this at? How come I get on this? We're putting it together.
Yeah, we need to tell you about the banks.
I just got the text a couple hours ago.
Yeah, okay.
So we're going to try to get together what bank's offering it, how you got to get through it, what's your down payment, and all that kind of stuff.
And what banks are willing to do this.
Yes, I heard it was a 3% down payment.
Okay.
That is just...
This is awesome news.
So
Amazing news.
Hang on to your seats. We'll see.
So not only do we have an 8x24 old panel style home available for sale for $25,000, they are also modular certified, and you can sit them anywhere. You can use them as primary housing, your primary home in the state of Tennessee, anywhere.
Yes. So I told her, well.
Her who?
You.
Oh, me.
Yeah.
Told me what?
Well, she got an old home place on the road. I could divide that up and put about 20 homes over on her place.
Well, listen, we're studying on that. We're studying because to be honest, do you remember in the beginning while Randy was building houses in the backyard, that was going to be the place developed.
Yep.
Because we didn't have anywhere. We didn't have no land. We didn't have nothing.
No.
We just had my place, and we were going to develop it, and they said no.
Yep.
So that's why we never did develop anything near my house.
Yeah. So this opens up, because if you've got land in Tennessee and you want to subdivide it up, you can subdivide it up depending on the local codes and restrictions. I know in your county they got to have half-acre lots unless
that's where I was getting that from. Yes.
Unless you have city sewer. If you have city sewer, it's a quarter acre. Right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So right now, if you guys are in Tennessee somewhere and you got some restrictions of, half-acre, quarter-acre lots, and you're on a county road, you don't have to develop a road or anything. You can just subdivide it off, 2-3 lots, put some tiny homes on there. You don't have to sell them. You could sell the land and everything. Or now it's a primary residence. You can put them on. So it's not just us developing. It's you all buying land and us putting our homes on your land.
Wow.
Any of our homes. I love it.
It's incredible. It really is.
I'm
going to keep saying that. It's incredible.
He gets all worried when I start getting
excited. He does. When you get excited.
All right,
that's
buddy.
okay.
All right.
Thank you, guys. Be sure and like this video. Subscribe. We're trying to get to 200,000 subscribers by the end of the year. It's already November. What is today? November the 20th or whatever?
Yes.
So like, subscribe, share this video. This is such a big deal. This is not a Black Friday sale. This is the sale. This is the winter sale to the end of the year.
Yeah.
October, January.
Oh
my gosh, I keep saying.
I forgot the big punchline.
Well,
so this is the deal. All right, so in New Year's Eve, we have a big blowout here. I don't know if we'll do it this time because it's so dangerous. Everybody's going to die.
Well, and
people get their eyes put out and stuff.
Well, we're so there's nowhere to do anything now.
I might do it on the island. I'm not sure.
There's no room.
New Year's Eve, fireworks or not, what we do is we take as many people that have bought the new sale of $25,000 house, and we're going to have a drawing. And whenever we pull out the drawing, that person is going to win free delivery. Free delivery.
Oh, are you talking about people who buy the 8x24 house?
8x24, $25,000 house winter sale.
Oh, I didn't know that.
All the names go in a hat. We're going to pull out one name. That person is going to win free delivery.
Oh.
They're going to win skirting and setup. And you're going to be there for the delivery.
What?
You're going.
Going where?
They get to win you. You get to go. You go wherever name we pick it out. Well, I don't care if New Mexico or wherever it's at. You're going there when the house pulls up in the driveway. You get to be there and welcome them and congratulate them on their house.
Are you serious?
Nope, you're going with them. I kind of threw that in.
What? So I get to go on vacation, is what we're saying.
I don't know about that. I mean, you got a strict agenda.
You've got listen. So I'm
gonna
on
fly
it.
you in with a helicopter on a rope, and then we're gonna get you out of there.
I'm in. I'll do it.
So wherever it's at, it can be in Florida, it can be in
Did
New
you
Mexico.
guys come up with that?
I came up with that. So you're going to have to go to that.
You're a blame mess. You know that.
I don't know how you're going to get there. You can either drive with the driver or come on your own or fly or however you want to do it. But so I thought that would be like, you know what? Everybody's like, yeah.
Well, I would love to do that.
I want to buy one because I want to see Amanda. Amanda gets to come to your house where your tiny home is going to be.
I'll come.
Yep. And get to.
I can't. And you come up with that.
Yeah. Yep.
I'll be there.
That's the big deal of it. I think that's going to be really
fun.
fun.
My gosh, I hope it's somewhere I've never been.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be really cool.
So all right, everybody. So hey, if you buy a 24-foot, $25,000 house, you have a chance of having Amanda come with your home on the delivery day.
Can I take Ace with me?
All right. Say goodbye.
Say goodbye. Bye, Ace. Bye, guys.